Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can integrate Amazon products onto your Wix website. So start off from the Wix dashboard here and then click on this, the edit site. It'll take you to here, the Wix website editor. Now, if you want to integrate an Amazon product, first we have to find an Amazon product. I'm going to do with this Razer Black Short headset. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to Control C to copy it. And I'm going to go to this website called iframely.com/domain/Amazon. And I'm going to paste the link I got earlier. I'm going to click refresh. It's going to fetch and it'll make me a embed just like this. I'm going to copy the code here. I'm going to go back to Wix website editor. I'm going to add elements. On add elements, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go and find embed code right here. I'm going to go to embed HTML. On embed HTML, I'm going to paste the code I got earlier. I'm going to press update. I'm going to let it load. And now it's loaded. I'm going to expand this a little bit so you can see it better. Just like this. Now you have an Amazon product on your Wix website. Let's preview it to see if I click on it, it will redirect me onto Amazon or not. Click. And it redirects me to the Amazon page, just like that.